everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. And what's up? What's up, Barbie Nation? How are you? Back with another video, a fashion video. A 10 hacks or tips that could upgrade your outfits. And I'm sorry if you guys keep hearing cars and a lot of movement, is because I live near a very busy road, and I try to get away from this noise, but it is just really difficult. So let's get into it. Boo boo. Let's get into it, ladies. So the first tip on my list is how to elevate your looks is scrunched sleeves. And you can do this yourself. Okay, well, it is basically a DIY. An elastic band, you take like an elastic band. Okay, well, elastic band. This is a bangle. This is, never mind. That was a very but how to do your scrunch sleeves. You take your elastic band, you put it, you roll it up on your sleeve, and then you just pull the fabric up together, and that will hold the fabric together and give it an effect of a scrunch look. And trust me, this is going to last for the whole entire day. It's not going to come down, and it gives you a very messy but put together look. Personally, I like it, especially when I used to go to work. I like rolling up my sleeves. I just like the look of messy but I'm put together, like I might not look like I got my things in order, but I do. So number 2, ladies, is cuffed sleeves. Don't get it confused between scrunched sleeves and cuffed sleeves. By cuffed sleeves, I mean when you roll up your t-shirt, and I'll show you a demonstration. But yes, this adds a perfect detail to a basic tee. It has a flattering look and looks attentional and more polished. You could use this in basically any t-shirt, especially like a normal t-shirt, because I honestly don't like how t-shirts just flare out, so it just looks better and more, they look put together when you just cuff them a bit. In the same vein of cuffed sleeves, I want to speak about cuffed jeans. Cuffing your jeans is a good trick if you want to draw some attention to your shoes, and also if you want to give off the illusion that you look taller. I know, right? That is a good tip for me. This is a great tip for all the short ladies. It also gives you a great posture, like, it looks, you look put together. By the show of skin, it gives the illusion that you're actually taller. For the fourth one, I'm going to talk about layered cami. This trend is not liked by everyone. Yeah, because it's like, why do that? Some people just don't understand it. Personally, I like it. I have never tried it, but I like it when it's on other people. Probably I will try it one day, but it's either a dress or a t-shirt if you want to layer cami. And this layer cami is from the 90s, and everybody knows how 90s fashion has come back. Example, denim on denim, thin sunglasses, pleated skirts. I mean, the list can go on and on and on and on and on about 90s fashion. But yes, layered cami, you could, another tip for a layered cami, just make sure that one of these two things is a neutral color, because if it's not, then it just gets too much. It just looks like there's a lot. Tip number 5 is to have basic building blocks, like basic clothing. And when I say basic building blocks in your closet, I'm talking about plain t-shirts, black denims, dark wash denims, light wash denims, and basic t-shirts, I mean black, white, just basic t-shirts. And these just make it easier for you to put an outfit together in the morning or whenever. It just makes it easier for people who are not so fashion enlightened to put an outfit together. and it makes it look good as well. Like you can put a lot of accessories on basic when you're wearing, like, if you put a basic outfit together, you can accessorize it easier, is what I'm trying to say. Tip number 6 is monochromatic outfits and tonal outfits. I spoke about this one in my first fashion video, and this is the easiest way to look sleek and stylish. A monochromatic outfit is an outfit that is made entirely out of one color from head to toe, and you can do it with black, camel, red, white, green. And tonal outfits is also comprised. It also is comprised of one color but of different tones and shades. Tip number 7 is to switch up your shoes. I know it gets very, you get into the habit of wearing like the same color shoes or the same type of shoes every day, especially if you're a student. You can just rock your Converses, your Vans like all the time, and it just gets very basic. You can I know, and it also gets very intimidating when you think of changing up your shoe style. Like example, a lot of people are intimidated by Crocs, those big Crocs that have like a lot of detail on them. Or you could add like texture into the shoes. So shoes are something small but can change the whole vibe of an outfit. So yes, don't be intimidated by different colored shoes, by different textures, and also just try them out. Tip number 8 is an accessory, but I had to make a whole number on this accessory because it is a game-changing accessory, and which is the structured bag. And this is also a timeless piece, just like the white t-shirt. It doesn't have to be expensive. You could actually thrift it, but just pay attention to how big named brands, or like the big brands now, just keep on making structured bags because they know it's very timeless, and if you buy it now you could use it for many more years. So it's also a good investment, and it also elevates your outfit to from 0 to 100 real quickly if you have a cute structured bag that goes along with your. Tip number 9 is how to look expensive without actually buying expensive things. Who wouldn't want that? Who would not want that? I want to look expensive all the time. Okay, not all the time, but I want to look expensive, you know. You could do this by incorporating neutral shades for an easy elevation to your outfits, like camel, oatmeal, almond, off-white. Classic neutral shades will always make you look expensive. Or you can add on fabric, or you could just wear fabric that looks expensive, like silk, linen. Okay, these are expensive, but you can thrift them as well. So thrifting is always a good option, trust me. Like satin and tweed and wool, and this will always give you an expensive look, trust. Our final tip number 10, is a very odd one, but it is very beneficial. You could buy oversized t-shirts, like twice the size that you wear. I know, risky, but it's worth it. When summer comes along and you don't have anything to wear, you could wear this oversized t-shirt as a dress, and it looks really cute. You can even add a belt to it, and it just elevates the look, like top tier girl, top tier. So invest in more oversized t-shirts and thank me later. Thank you guys for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and catch me on Thursday for Thriller Thursday. Thank you. Love you, Bobby Nation. Stay cute. Stay cute. Stay cute. You see me? You see me? I see you. Okay, bye.